My name is Guillermo Lara, and today I'm going to give you 9 tips that you have to remember after you've been stopped and arrested for a DWI. Tip number 1 is to remain organized. It's important for you to get your information and put it in a folder like this one. I suggest, it could be any folder, but if you can, just get a folder like this one and get all your documents and make sure that you keep it organized. The second most important thing that you can do is write down all the details. Now, you need to know, why did he stop you? Where were you going? All these important details from that night, because as time passes, your memory of that night is going to get a little bit hazier. So it's important that you write these details down. That way, when you go speak to your attorney, you have more information to give them, more details that they can use in order to investigate what's going on with your case. Visit our DWI help pages. Now, it's a great resource. It's a great resource to find out what do you need to look for when hiring an attorney, where do you need to go, what's going to happen with your license. All this information can be found on our DWI help pages. So we recommend that you go there, you look through it, and you try to find some information that's going to help you. All right? The fourth thing that we ask people to do is, if you have any evidence, anything that you may have from that night that can show where you were, any witnesses, anything like that, we ask for you to get that information, put it in your folder. That way, when you go and see your attorney, you have all that stuff ready. And it's something that they can use later on when investigating your case and giving you the best opportunity to fight your case. Make sure that you research your attorney. It's important that you research that attorney, research any attorney, and find out if that's the best attorney for you. You want to know, have they handled these kind of cases before? What's their experience like? Tip number 6, make an appointment. We recommend that you make an appointment at least 7 days after you've been arrested. Now, you have 15 days to file the request to fight the suspension of your license. So we ask for you to make an appointment as soon as possible. A lot of people get in trouble because of the things that they post on social media, so we ask for you to refrain from using any of that stuff. We want to make sure that we have the best chance of fighting your case. So staying off social media like Twitter, Facebook, and all those other media sites is really important, because we don't want to have the prosecutor having any other additional information. Tip number 8, it's important for you to write down questions. Now, when you go see your attorney, you want to be prepared. You want to have the questions ready that you're thinking about. You want to make sure that they can answer anything that you have. Now, the reason this is important is that you don't want to leave that free consultation not knowing where to go from there. So we strongly recommend that you write down some questions, get ready for your appointment with your attorney, and be well informed. Calm down and relax. You're going to be making a really important decision on who you're going to hire. So it's really important that you think things through. Don't rush it, research it, and make sure you make the right decision.